Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So let's talk about Bitcoin and the crypto market in general. So we have the total one, which is all the crypto, and we're getting at 1.63 trillions. Now, the higher high that we reached was 3 trillions, and we have a small resistance here, kind of, if I can call it that, maybe at 1.94 trillions, and after that, the real one, the real test, 2.1, let's say round up to 5 trillions. Now, if I take the total 2, that's all the altcoins, excluding Bitcoin. Also, we're going higher. We have a point of resistance eventually that we're going to encounter at 866.5 billions. And after that, the real test is going to be here, which is 1.23 trillions. And after that, we can go and skyrocket. And now for the total 3, that's only altcoin, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see that we just break out from this resistance. This is why we don't have much, right? So maybe we're going to have some, small resistance here, but after that we're going up, and this is the first challenge that we're going to encounter. Actually, I'm going to do the box. So this is going to be our first resistance or box resistance, and from 513 billions to 850, 840, something like that. That's quite of a ride. Hello, altcoins should do very, very well. Now I want to go back on Bitcoin and check the dominance, and this is what I was looking forward now. I think last month or a few weeks ago, I don't remember because I don't show it often, but I don't do a video often, but I do check it up pretty much often. And I was saying, you remember, I don't know, last time I did draw a big box, right? And I did tell you, as soon as we break this trend, this area here is going to be the alt season, and actually it did started, right? So from the moment that it broke here, actually even here, we start seeing alts going higher. Now we had a relief of that skyrocketing, and now here it really started, and it can go really. I'm aiming this box now between let's see here, 47.74% and 49%. This is where the alts are going to very really perform well. So we're talking from the peak. Actually, let me take here the minimum. It would be about 11%. That's a lot, because before the previous mini altcoins season or pre-altcoin season we had, it was not even, maybe a little bit more than half of what we could do potentially now. So alt should do very, very fine shortly. Now, just want to emphasize, you can see that I did this. It looks like a bull flag, right? And after we broke out, and now we're back in. Now I can actually take and extend this trend, and we're about to touch it again. And this was a previous resistance that became now can become support. So this is something we want to watch out for. It's very possible, and now, yeah, the dominant is going to maybe, because I don't think it's going to go that low in one shot, right? So I believe though that maybe it's going to come here and bounce back a little bit, and after continue like he did here, right? It did went down, and then we had a relief. So watch out for your alts. Put some TP levels, sell stop limits, because I believe we still have a little bit of room to go lower, and there is a possibility that we bounce low. Well, for sure, it can go both ways. We had a crazy week up here. We could have another crazy week down there, but once again, it's all about playing defense in finance. All right, so Was there anything else I wanted to add? Well, let's go at least to the price action. All right, so let me put on the 4 hours. So this vertical line, that's 31st of December. And let's see what Bitcoin is going to give us as a gift for the first. Is it going to give us a crazy wick today, or a crazy candle and make a new year all-time, not new year all-time high, but new year high? Well, it could if it really wanted, but we shall see, honestly. And I still have this A, B, C into perspective, but I'm not sure I really believe on it, honestly, anymore. Because before it was looking maybe going on that direction. I did tell you maybe this could be a 1, this is the 2, and now we should say that see the 3. So I'm kind of scared to say that, but so this could be the 1 and the 2. And if I do micro counting, maybe what we're seeing now, this is the third wave. So once again, this is the 1 and this is the 2. If I do micro counting, this could be just the 1. We're doing the 2 of the third wave, and we're going to do the 3, the 4, the 5, and that would be just the third wave. Hopefully it's not like that, and then we're just going to continue to go to the up and to the right side of the screen. But these are the things we need to be aware of. Also, yeah, stock RSI on the 1 hour, it's overbought. So maybe we need to start to check for another drop in Bitcoin. We shall see. 4 hours, not that bad, and daily, that's the more important one. Okay, so that's nice. We're getting lower levels, and stock RSI it's also almost getting into the oversold. So this gives us some munitions potentially for well, I need to say maybe for next year, right? Time goes so fast, and just want to emphasize, it was a crazy year, and the important thing is like we managed to survive this year. And hopefully you managed to survive the bear market. And if you're following this channel, I think you did survive, right? You're a survivor, and well, if you survive, then congratulations, because it means you really believe in crypto. And honestly, crypto didn't let you down, because now it's bouncing back, and I'm pretty much sure it's going to change your life. Now, is it going to change drastically, or it's just going to change slightly depending on the amount you invested? But we're not even done, right? This is just the beginning of this bull market. The real one, it's about to come. So sometimes we are so focused on other things in life, and yes, I need to save money, and yes, I need to try to make more money and invest in crypto. But then at the end, let's do a recap. We went from a long way, right? From 69,000 we went to 15,600 something. And I don't know about you guys, but me, I was okay here. Honestly, when it was going down, I was that's perfect. I think we're going to go here, and I'm going to get back a little bit at 40. And if we go really at 30, 32, I'm going to get more, which I did. When we start to go lower and people were freaking out, I was like, oh my god, like seriously, I can get Bitcoin for 22 or 24,000? Damn, that this opportunity is never going to happen again. And my friends like, you are freaking crazy. And when it went lower, people, they call me back, they text me, haha, so how is it going, your Bitcoin? And me, I was amazing. I'm able to buy a 15,000, 16,000, 18,000. And they look at me like, you're fucking crazy, sorry about the word. And yeah, maybe I was. And then but now who's crazy, right? And then when it start to go 25, 30,000, then there's how is it going, your Bitcoin? So now I'm not crazy anymore, right? And at 40,000, yeah, now after that it's like, yeah, you were right. I should have got more, or I shouldn't have sold all my crypto, because I did have a few friends that they say, no, F that crypto, it's all a shit. I'm getting out, I'm getting wrecked. And then I was, you need to be patient, like this is what it does. This is a normal cycle, nothing crazy, nothing unexpected. And then they were, no, I don't want to hear anything about crypto. And now they all regret it. So if you are in, and if you are still in, well, congratulations, you're getting we are getting started to get rewarded. And if you are new, it's still not too late. It's never too late. Well, actually, it's not true. Eventually it's going to be too late. I mean, in the previous market, here was starting to be too late, and here definitely was too late. But if you did dollar cost average from here, you every week $100, now you would be already in profit. So it's depending how you see perspective. Yes, in Bitcoin is never too late. If you wait 2 years enough, usually you get back into profit. But if you're able to aim and be patient and trust the system, and you buy in this level here, then you're good. You're going to be very good in life. And now we're just getting started. Where is the next target for Bitcoin? Well, it's here. So as you can see, we are just here now, and price should go around this level here. And we only did this. So you can see that when you put things in perspective, when you're not late yet. People that they jump in now, they are not late. So we did this year, I can start already saying, I think this year, 167%. Okay, so, and from the current price, and I'm going to be, maybe I'm not even going for the under 25,000. Let's go for the under 10. We're still potentially going up under 55k. So not too late yet. Actually, never too late. But if you buy on the peak, for sure, if you buy at when it's under 26,000, then you need to arm yourself for patience and let it sleep on the side, or you sell and you try to buy back on the next bear market. Alright, so this is starting to be a little bit long, another 13-14 minutes video, but sometimes it's important to focus, to look what we went through and now where we're going. And it's nice to congratulate ourselves if we were trustworthy, and if we did trust Bitcoin, and we have conviction that Bitcoin is the future, and maybe that the financial world economy maybe one day is going to be based on Bitcoin, and crypto now is being integrated in everyday life, and this is just the beginning. NFTs, what the hell can you do with the NFT? Well, you can draw a painting and or do a digital art, and then no one can copy, because NFTs there is only one. And if you copy, it's going to tell you, I made the copy of the original NFT of this one. So there you go for the copyrights. Also, DMV, this is like the government company or service when you want to have a driver license. In California, now they don't release, I think it was an immatriculation of the Of the cars, I'm not sure if they're not going to start to do even driver license. They release you an NFT, so you cannot lose it anymore. No one can copy, and everybody can go. You know, if you have the, I guess it's not public, but the cops or the DMV, they have access to that secure website that they can double check your identity. So technically, I guess one day, if you're driving, you don't need even to have your driver license, because it's going to scan the card, or the yeah, even we still have the card, and it's going to check in his website if the NFT of the driver license match what you have. So it means you cannot counterfeiting anymore, because it's anyway. So just to let you know, crypto is there to stay. If you're still not convinced, well, it's a matter of time. You will get there. Alright, so this is pretty much all for Bitcoin and the macro system and how crypto can be integrated in a small portion, because the sky is the limit. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.